Hi, I'm Crash, the creator of STRM.TOOL. I'm going to walk you through session information, like the session log and session stats, so you can kind of understand what's going on with them. Let's get into it. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at session stats and session logs. Now, a session is from when you first start up STRM.TOOL from it not running it before. If you restart STRM.TOOL, that's still the same session. It's still counted as the same session. It's just a reboot. So let's start with session stats. This is information about what's happening. So right here we have the session QR code. So if you need to access this user interface from another device, you can scan the QR code or you can enter that address into the device to access this user interface. Right here it breaks apart, showing you the IP address of the computer that is running STRM.TOOL that you're connected to and the port that it's running on. After that, you have the name of the PC, the network name of the PC that's running STRM.TOOL. Right here we have my gaming PC running it. We have uptime, how long STRM.TOOL has been running when you load this page. So if we open stats again, it's been running for 55 seconds. How many server calls have been made? Now, we talked about before how STRM.TOOL is basically a web server. And to get STRM.TOOL to do stuff, you send information to it and request information to it, just like you would with Google. Now, there's a limiter, there's a cap on there of 5,000 calls before it resets itself. So it will keep working, but what will happen is at 5,000 server calls, just to clear the buffer, it just resets itself. And finally, errors. If you do get any errors in the session log, it will break them out and show them here, so it's easy to understand. Now, if you want to go into more details, you can check out the session log, which has everything that's happened so far. So we can see that Crash Coke STRM.TOOL is restarted, it's running as admin. We have the CPU and operating system connected as Crash Coke. It says that premium features are enabled, connection to the handler initiated, using the last active IP address, because I restarted STRM.TOOL, right? If we shut down STRM.TOOL and we do something fresh, you're going to see it's quite different. And then handler authenticated and active. Let's actually go into settings, and we're going to turn on some detailed logging. Takes effect the next restart. Now let's shut down STRM.TOOL, and we're going to do a fresh start of STRM.TOOL. So now it takes a little bit longer to start up because it's gathering detailed system information. Now if we go into the session log, you'll see there's way more information there. Way more information. So it gives us running processes, it gives us hardware information, network information, and this is meant for troubleshooting. Now, logs are kept only on your PC. They are not sent to my server at all. They're not sent anywhere. They're only stored on your computer. What can happen is if you're having issues, I might ask, or my team might ask you to send us your log file. Right now, I don't have any errors. We can see in the session stats, everything is clear. But if I log out, it's going to have the error that it couldn't find an OAuth token and it couldn't log me in. So we go into session log. We're going to scroll down, error, no OAuth token found, please connect. But you see there was a lot of scrolling to get to that. If we go to session stats, it breaks it out. So we can see right there, no OAuth token found, please connect your Twitch account in the settings tab. Nice and easy. So that is the session stats page, the session log. It's just giving you a little bit of information about what's happening with STRM.TOOL, how it's working, and if there's any errors. Most of the time, most errors like this are not critical. It'll still work, but you're not going to have access to, say, Twitch tools. So Twitch login is required. If you are having errors, though, you're having issues with STRM.TOOL, the very first place you should check is session stats. If anything is not working the way you expect, first place you check is session stats and see if you have some errors. And then what you can do is you can let us know in the support Discord what error you're getting, and we can help walk you through correcting it. Like I said, one common error is if the password gets changed inadvertently. And it will show up right here, error, incorrect password. That's a reminder that, okay, something's changed with my password. I have to make sure that the password on my URL and the password in settings is the same. All right, that's it for this one. Next video, we're going to be getting into actual tools and building triggers and how to use them, what they do, and yeah, the way that I use them. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one.